If you suffer from PCOS or infertility or any other hormonal disorder and you have taken the diet, you have done the exercises, you have taken all the supplements or the medicines and still it is not working, it is a possibility that the shampoo that you use in these plastic bottles, that is the cause of your hormonal problem. So let's see what can be done about it. Assalamu alaikum wonderful people, I am Dr. Asma and most of the shampoos that we get from the market are in plastic bottles. Okay, we know that the dangers of plastic. There is something called BPA in the plastic, and this BPA is a big hormone disruptor. Lot of research has been done and it has been proven to be endocrine disruptor. That is to say, it has an estrogenic activity. It messes up with your hormones. Not only estrogen, even if in males there is testosterone, it messes up the testosterone also. So basically it is an endocrine disruptor. That is to say, it disrupts the hormones. Secondly, it is carcinogenic. It causes cancer. Okay, and thirdly, it causes obesity. That is why obesity is rampant. Okay, the thing is, these things are now known to people and many people are searching for BPA free options. But the catch is, even if the plastic is BPA free, like BPA is bisphosphol A for asthma, okay? Instead of BPA, they use BPS, S for star, or they use BPF, F for flower. And all these BPAs are equally hormone disruptors, they are equally carcinogenic, they are equally harmful. I mean, what is the fun? Just take out BPA and add something which is like BPA or even worse than BPA. And the thing is, BPA is not the only thing that is harmful in plastic bottles. You also have phthalates in it. The thing is, there are many chemicals that we even cannot pronounce. And these are present in the plastic bottles, even if they are labeled as BPA free. I am very sure that if you go to the market and you want to buy, say for example, a thermos flask for your kid, or you want to buy some toys or whatever else you want to buy, if there is written BPA free, you have a false sense of security. You feel this is safe for our kids, that this is safe for our health. No, it is not. It is extra harmful, okay? They have changed that, they have taken out BPA, they have added something which is even more harmful than BPA. So my personal suggestion is, go plastic free. Leave alone the BPA. Whenever you can, go for something which is in glass containers or stainless steel containers or even wood containers. Like all these things don't have these harmful chemicals which actually destroy your health. So we at Healing Hijama Clinic have made this shampoo, and this shampoo is sulfate free, paraben free. It has all natural safe ingredients. Plus, it is dispensed in glass bottles. Let me know in the comment section below, have you seen any shampoos that are in glass bottles? Plus, our glass bottle is also dark, so the light also does not disrupt the shampoo. In fact, all our cosmetics are dispensed in glass bottles. You can see these glass bottles, whether it's shampoo or oil or conditioner, they are all dispensed in these glass bottles. And these glass bottles are safe. And my suggestion to you is always use glass bottles. Like you know it is not good for health to eat in plastic. Okay, it is also not good to use like shampoos in plastic, because like once you buy shampoo, for example, this shampoo was made, say for example, 6 months ago, and since that 6 months it is sitting inside this bottle, and it is constantly leaching the BPA inside the glass bottle. So what we need to do is we need to shift to glass bottles, whether it is in terms of eatables or it is in terms of cosmetics that we put on our face. So let me know in the comment section below, is there any shampoo that you know that is dispensed in glass bottles? And we launched this shampoo 1 year ago and people complained like it is very good, it is very safe, but it does not make foam. So we added some extra surfactants. All these surfactants are vegan, natural, sulfate free, paraben free, and they are free of all the chemicals that can harm you in any way. So do try our shampoo, and always say no to plastic, because plastic is not good for you, even if it is BPA free. So take care till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.